Hello, we will present you Simcash.io, the most profitable legit pay app who ever existed. That app is becoming more and more popular for a reason. Stay carefully tuned until the end. I will prove you that this app is legit by doing a withdrawal of €580 or $618. Simcash is an Android application that literally buys your SMS that you don't use. Simcash use them to send verification and confirmation OTP. You are probably wondering what type of SMS exactly Simcash sends. You have certainly already received that kind of verification code SIMs to change a password. Here, for example, from TikTok, sent from a random US mobile number starting by 1667 area code of Baltimore. And if you pay attention to SMS you receive, you will realize that many companies like TikTok, WhatsApp, Microsoft, Google, etc. use that system to send their confirmations code from random mobile numbers because it's cheaper than servers. Here the video on the left show I sold €171.31 of SMS after 30 days. Then 72 hours after, in the middle video, you can see that I reached €262.7. Then 6 days after, I reached €455.5. It's crazy.
Here 3 different video screen recording while the app is running in 3 different countries. You can notice that the balance increased cents by cents. Here the SMS price is configured at 1 cent euro. The total earned are increasing too. The number of SMS sent per hour, per day and per month are increasing at the same time.
Once you click in the link in description, follow the next steps in this video in the right side to download, then install the app in less than 1 minute. Once again, very important, don't forget to put our referrals bonus code X3XNV so we can give you access to our private Telegram chat group and channel plus Discord server to explain you how to configure the app, put the best secret settings for durability, and avoid blocking. Be advised by others experienced Simcash users from your country directly in our chat groups. If you already have a Simcash account, don't worry, just create a new one through our link. Don't do the same mistake that beginners who end up stuck then can't earn more and for longer by lack of knowledge of the app. Join our 6,000 followers on Instagram and 367 followers on our Facebook page. We have also a Facebook group with 400 members. Don't waste another second. Click on the link in description and get paid at the second the app sends the first SMS. See you in Telegram.